The performance targets are fluctuating outside the upper control limits. We need to stabilize the process.
Adjusting the intakes.
These critical specifications for ESD protection must be finalized today.
We have to align them with the sustainable sourcing guidelines.
And update the manufacturing parameters accordingly.
This optimization streamlines our quality assurance testing procedures significantly,
Enabling us to meet the performance.
Analyzing the thermal data confirms we can enhance yield optimization here. This aligns with the design specifications for the new components.
As you can see on the central display, the signal integrity waveforms align with our critical design specs.
The traceability platform integrates all design specifications.
That ensures we meet the stringent industry standards globally.
Look at this diagram here. The current specs won't meet the performance targets.
We need to revise the component requirements for the environmental controls.
The signal integrity validation looks good, but check the tolerances.
These specs are holding steady. We're within the stringent standards. The alignment tolerance for this component is critical. Reworking the coordinates now.
Confirmed. The specifications align.
Alignment confirmed. Tolerances met.
Specifications verified. We are clear.
Initiating AOI sequence.
Meticulous preparation is key. The machine implements the surface mount technology precisely according to these specs.
Reworking R5 in accordance with the updated spec sheet.
The data trend confirms the adjustments are improving first pass yield.
Vision inspection confirms 0 defects on this batch. Good. Let's maintain these parameters for the next run.
The multi-zone reflow looks stable.
Thermal uniformity is consistent across all boards.
The automated optical inspection data confirms exceptional precision on this run.
We are maintaining stringent performance specifications across the board.
Our sophisticated automated systems execute X-ray inspection analysis, implementing advanced semiconductor fabrication with exceptional precision.
Implementing advanced defect detection systems enables reliable consumer technology solutions, serving billions of users worldwide with exceptional precision and quality. We demonstrate continuous commitment to innovation and quality improvement, maintaining exceptional precision and consistency. The flying probe results are confirmed within specifications.
Excellent. Initiating transfer to the next stage.
The stress test data confirms performance consistency across all units. Good.
Proceed with the final tuning adjustments.
Check the thermal differential on chamber 3. It's reading slightly high.
Adjusting the cooling profile now, we need to maintain spec for the next batch.
Advanced Systems Integration phase, meticulously implementing yield management analytics platforms illustrating sophisticated statistical process control.
The predictive analytics confirm optimal efficiency.
The defect tracking system integration is complete.
Advanced Systems Integration phase, meticulously implementing environmental monitoring controls, featuring sophisticated quality assurance testing procedures with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities.
The Advanced Pressure Differential Monitoring System is demonstrating sophisticated yield optimization, guaranteeing optimal production.
Sophisticated defect detection systems with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities and automated data collection. Our advanced systems integration utilizes real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, ensuring exceptional product results.
The systems integration phase is complete. Predictive analytics confirm we are meeting all electromagnetic compatibility standards.
Look at the data visualization on screen 3.
The automated collection confirms the efficiency gains.
Implementing automated test equipment platforms demonstrates sophisticated precision electronics assembly with predictive analytics and operational excellence.
The environmental stress screening is complete.
Documentation confirms 98.5% yield efficiency.
Good. Authorize product release.
The waveforms look consistent now. Are the results stabilizing on your end?
Yes, the statistical process control confirms compliance.
These readings confirm compliance with the industry protocols.
All right, I will finalize the documentation for product release.
All protocols are validated. The accelerated life testing is complete. We can authorize the product release for commercial distribution.
The thermal reading stabilized within the expected parameters.
Good, I'll update the report. The defect detection system confirmed no anomalies.
Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous thermal imaging analysis inspection utilizing traceability management platforms with certified instrumentation.
The thermal gradient on sector B is exceeding the threshold.
Power is stable, but we need to verify cooling efficiency.
These waveforms look stable. The integrity test passed the threshold.
I agree. I'll note it down and finalize the validation report.
The interoperability tests are complete. All results meet global regulatory compliance.
Excellent. Authorize the product release.
The performance validation passed all rigorous testing protocols.
Excellent. Document the results for final release authorization.
Predictive analytics allows us to forecast failures before they occur, demonstrating our commitment to innovation and quality. Analytics platform confirms calibration successful, yield efficiency maximized.
Excellent. Continuous quality improvement maintained.
Laser colors. Implementing this Kaizen initiative should improve
SPC efficiency. The S confirms the The advanced analytics platform confirms a significant trend here. Yeah.
Look at the cost reduction spike. The optimization program is
Throughput capacity is up 5% since the last shift.
The optimization protocols are stabilizing the yield as projected.
Sensors.
Inventory turnover is up 15%. The new strategies are working.
Defect detection rates show significant improvement in
The integrated management systems show a continuous quality improvement.
This demonstrates operational excellence across the board. By integrating the customer feedback analysis, we've significantly reduced contamination risk.
The real-time data on operational efficiency is stabilizing.
Yes, and the thermal management solutions have reduced the warranty return rate in this sector.
Field failure analysis confirms signal integrity loss in Sector 3.
The advanced analytics platform indicates
If we look at the integrated systems data, we see a clear path for continuous quality improvement. And the analytics platform confirms this trend globally.
These advanced analytics show a clear path to maximizing operational efficiency.
Are we accounting for the planned equipment upgrades in that forecast?
Look at these analytics. We've optimized the scheduling platform perfectly.
the integrated system confirms compliance across all metrics.
The optimization algorithm is stabilizing the robotic arm trajectory.
We've reduced the margin of error by 15% on this run.
Initiating the final assembly sequence now.
The placement tolerance is within the required parameters.
Confirmed. Real-time adjustment is nominal.
The yield efficiency stabilized at 98.5%.
That confirms the adjustment to the manufacturing process.
Makes sense.
The data stream confirms the energy consumption is down by 20%.
That validates the new algorithm.
Our latest breakthrough significantly improves the lifespan of the quantum dots.
This reliability is exactly what the consumer market needs.
Look at the conductivity readings on screen 3.
That confirms the synthesis process is stable at scale.
Excellent. Let's update the projections.
The flexibility test results are stabilizing. Good. We need to verify the adhesion strength on the next batch.
The yield data confirms the viability of the new process. We're exceeding industry standards.
Excellent.
The synchronization latency has dropped to 2 milliseconds.
Excellent. This confirms the operational efficiency model.
The market analytics confirm our strategy is working. Brand reputation scores are up 3 points globally.
Our sustainability reporting shows a sharp decrease in carbon emissions.
And the market analytics confirm this.
Strategic business operations utilizing enterprise intelligence platforms and comprehensive market analytics, optimizing organizational decisions for dynamic global electronics markets.